Data categorization and types of data. After having understood what data is, let us now go further into the details of categorizing data for statistical analysis. Different data of varied types are collected and used on a routine basis. Such data need to be studied and analyzed statistically to gain useful information. Data is categorized in several ways. Consider an example of data collected during an employee satisfaction survey. Responses to various questions posed to respondents can be studied by categorizing respondents into two or more categories depending on levels of seniority, assistant managers, deputy managers, managers, senior managers, etc. Functional affiliation, sales and marketing, accounting, purchase, human resources, etc. Number of years of work experience. Location, city-wise or branch-wise, etc. Categorization is invariably important to ascertain possible differences in various categories. Statistical data can be broadly categorized into qualitative or attributed or categorical data. Data is stated descriptively and is referred to as qualitative data. Such data is not amenable to quantification. Customer preferences for various brands of a product, types of faults in a tennis player such as hitting on the net, outside the baseline, etc., are examples of qualitative data. Quantitative or variable or measurable data. Data that is specified numerically through a process of measurement or numerical count is called quantitative data. The diameter of a wire, number of rooms occupied in a hotel on a given day, etc. constitute quantitative data. Such data is amenable to arithmetic operations. The nature of the characteristics studied sometimes determines whether qualitative or quantitative data is to be used. Sometimes, quantitative data may be classified into two or more categories that are specified qualitatively. Let us consider these two examples. Diameter of wires. Wires may be inspected using a go or no-go gauge and categorized as within or outside specification limits. Here, direct measurements are avoided. Scores of students. The scores of students may be used to classify them into several grades such as grade A, grade B, grade C, and grade F. In the first case, qualitative data is directly collected although the characteristic is amenable to quantification. This is mainly to simplify the process of data collection. In the second case, however, quantitative data is initially collected, and this data is then categorized into classes that are specified qualitatively. Quantitative data is sometimes more convenient for information dissemination.